Travessa do Gaio. That's a little bit. This street is kind of interesting one. It's a very, very short little street, but the reason I want to film it is because part of me wants to film and document everywhere that I can. And this is also kind of interesting because it goes up near the Gaio Hill. And there's a little thing in here that we cannot go through, but it's kind of interesting that there's something there. And at least I kind of have some record that there was something that was here in Travessa do Gaio. And I'm just going to walk down there and just kind of give you a bit of context of where we are and what's here to see. So stay tuned, kind of interesting. Travessa do Gaio. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So yep, Travessa do Gaio. This would actually walk up into the that's kind of interesting. I guess this opens up and somebody can go in there, but it's not open to the public. So our street is pretty tiny, and right here is a hotel, and there's a club right here too. So I think that this might be connected to the club. There's even a little chair, looks like a club chair. The club's called Playmates. I'll give you a little context. So this is our target street, and you can see within 42 seconds we've already finished it. But I also like to put some context to everything too. So there's different things in different directions. This particular one would be Calçada de Victoria, and that one is right there. And that one just kind of goes down towards Victoria Park. And then, and I think that this other one across the street is another, I think it's also has the same name, I think. Let's walk over here and see it real quick. So this one, where's the name of this one at? So this one kind of has this nice look all the way down. And this is that hotel that we're just at as well. Let me just walk down just briefly, just because what I want to do is I want to capture the street sign of this. And I also want to capture this building right there. There's scaffolding right there. So that scaffolded building is was built too high, so they wouldn't allow it. So there we go. This is also called Calçada do Gaio. So that goes up into this one goes up to Januário Hospital. Calçada do Gaio. So we're gonna walk back up this way, and we're gonna our target street I think was, what was it called? I think ours was also Gaio, but not Calçada. I think it was Travessa. But anyways, that red chair was right here near Hotel Gaio, and the Playmates was right there too. So yeah, actually that little road was Travessa. So that's Travessa do Gaio right there. And then that's Calçada do Gaio directly down that way. So that was actually, this is actually the Calçada, and that's Travessa. So similar names. Calçada de Victoria. This one right here, they go into Playmates Club. Playmates Club is like a strip club right in front of right inside the Gaio Hotel. And then when you get up here, you have all these views of everything up in here. So, okay, then we got our views. That goes up to Gaio Hill. And then down there, which we're not going to do, you can see some racetrack. overlooks the park. Used to overlook. And then up there goes up into I wish we could look in that, but that one is not really possible. So, okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down and that was our target street, that small little street. And I'm just gonna go across Travessa de Gaio, a tiny little street. And then this one kind of goes up into some kind of historical stuff, and this one goes all up to Gaio Hill. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. Hope you enjoyed that one. You can also see a little bit of that building right over there, just kind of out of view and private. Let's end it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.